Alright, here's a walk around of the car. There's one really big one right there. Most of the hail stuck to the hood. The scoop's completely fine. The windshield's fine on it. There's a few little nicks, but there's no cracks or anything in it. Here's the side of the vehicle. This is the side that the rust is on. This has 15% tin on it all the way around. I can take the stickers off the back for you. There's one right here. It's not too bad of a dent. It got hit here pretty good. And then here's the roof of it. Now, from a distance, you can't really tell. There's one right here in this fender, and another pretty good one right there. The mirrors are fine on it. This is the driver's side here. There's a dent right here, and there's the rest of the roof. There's a few small ones on the trunk deck, but it's really not that bad. Has 2005 STI tail lights, and here's the rust. This is the wheel bearing that we replaced. Right here, this is just from the fenders being rolled from fitting the old wheels, and then here's the rust. I know it looks scary, but it's really not all that bad. The door open and closes fine, and then it's starting to get into the wheel well as well, but $500 at a body shop and that would be fine. But yeah, this is the car. I'll do a little further away walk around for you. There's a little nick, there's a little hit up here in the front bumper from someone at work clipped it. And the fog lights, they're not stock. There's OEM Subaru ones, but I bought those and put them on. I have the receipt for those as well. It has HPS brake pads. You know, it does need tires. Here's the rear. The rears aren't too bad, but they will need to be replaced as well. But it's a sharp car. It's fast and it turns lots of heads, so yeah, that's about it. Hope to see you tomorrow.